Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to create your own AI chatbot step by step using simple AI tools. So let's get started. Firstly, open browser. You can use platforms like if you want to boot like ChatGPT, you can simply search for ChatGPT, GPT Builder, and for Google Gemini, Gemini Gem. We will work with Gemini Gem. Here you will see give your gem a name, like we will name it gem 2.0. Now you will describe your gem and explain what it does, like personal AI tutor, customer support bot, study assistant, writing helper. Like I will choose writing helper. Now here you will see give your bot instructions. Now this is the magic part. Write a prompt that tells the bot how to behave, like you are a helpful tutor. Answer in simple language. Keep replies short and clear. Then scroll down. You can rewrite using this. It will rewrite. Now you can choose the default tool. Select this, like create image, canvas, deep research, create music, learn. I will select learn. Now add knowledge to your board, like upload PDF, notes, document, website content, anything you want, you can add it. Click on add files. Here you will upload files, add from drive, anything you want, you can upload it. Like we will adding this image for reference only. Now your chatbot can answer based on your instructions. Here you will see and click on save. Here you will see Gem 2.0 has been created. Add to your Gem manager page and click on start. Test and improve. Ask your bot question like give me knowledge of iPhone, stop opening apps. It will analysis, then give you the accurate knowledge. If you ask for the image, I need image, it will give you the image which will you upload it. Then you will check, are answers accurate, is tone correct, does it follow instructions. You can share it with the link. That's it. Use it privately, share it with the friends. And that's how you can create your own AI chatbot like Gemini. Imagine having an AI assistant built exactly for your needs. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe, and I will show you more crazy AI tools in the next one. Thanks for watching.